Are you on the hunt for ways to remove skin tags at home? Then look no further. Here are the top 5 home remedies that can help you get rid of those pesky skin tags. Skin tags are just loose collagen fibers that get lodged inside thicker areas of the skin. They don't usually require a doctor's visit, and you can often remove them with items you already have in your kitchen or medicine cabinet. Most home remedies involve drying out the skin tag until it shrinks and falls off. Let's start with the first remedy, tea tree oil. This oil, known for its antiviral and antifungal properties, can be safely used on the skin when diluted in a carrier oil. Begin by washing the affected area, then gently massage the oil over the skin tag using a Q-tip or cotton swab. Cover the area with a bandage overnight and repeat this treatment for several nights until the tag dries out and falls off. Next up, don't throw away your old banana peels. They can help dry out a skin tag thanks to the antioxidant properties found in them. Simply place a piece of banana peel over the tag and cover it with a bandage. Do this nightly until the tag falls off. Apple cider vinegar is another great remedy. Its acidity breaks down the tissue surrounding the skin tag, causing it to fall off. Soak a cotton swab in apple cider vinegar, place it over the skin tag, wrap the section in a bandage for 15 to 30 minutes, and then wash the skin. Repeat this daily for a couple of weeks. The fourth remedy is vitamin E. As an antioxidant that fights wrinkles and keeps the skin healthy, applying liquid vitamin E over a skin tag may cause the growth to vanish in a couple of days. Just massage the oil over the tag and surrounding skin until it falls off. Lastly, garlic can improve the appearance of skin by reducing inflammation. To naturally get rid of a skin tag, apply crushed garlic over the tag and cover the area with a bandage overnight. Wash the area in the morning and repeat until the skin tag shrinks and disappears. These top 5 home remedies can help you remove skin tags naturally at home. If you found this video helpful, show your love by liking, sharing, and commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.